Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to another online Sabbath School program. We are so glad that you could join us today. And we're going to start out, as usual, with an object lesson. Today, we're going to be talking about miracles. When someone says, "Wow, that was a miracle," what are some words or phrases that come to your mind? How about impossible? Not likely to happen? What about that was a mystery, or that was mysterious? The dictionary explains a miracle this way. It says that it's an unexpected event that happens that cannot be explained by scientific or natural law. And so it's contributed to a divine being or a divine agency. And we know who that divine agency is: God Himself. In today's Sabbath School lessons for both of our groups, we're going to be talking about miracles. And we're going to find out that an angel appears to some individuals to tell them what's going to happen to them. How do they receive the news? Do they believe it? Do they have faith? Do they trust? Well, today we are going to be talking about miracles by using these two bottles. And as you can see, I just have two empty bottles, nothing but air in them, and maybe a drop or two of water because I rinsed them out really well. And we also have some balloons, and I'm going to stretch it out and blow them up so that you can see that these balloons are actually working and there's nothing in them. They're working. So we'll get the air out. And let's try this one. Okay, it's working also. I'm gonna let the air out. Really press it out really good. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch it over the mouth of each of these bottles. And then we're going to see if I can blow both of them up. Okay, so let me stretch this over the mouth of the bottle. So what I'm basically doing, so I'll let you see what I'm doing so you don't think I'm trying to trick you. There's nothing in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick the base of the balloon in the bottle, and then I'm just going to stretch it over the mouth of the bottle. Okay, so that's one of them. Okay? And I'm going to do the same with the other one. I'm going to put it inside. And I have some purple balloons too, but I just want this one tore. Make it another one. I just wanted to make sure that you could see that it doesn't matter if one is purple, one's yellow. So I decided I would just use two yellow. So try not to break that open. Okay, so we have our balloons in the bottle. Now, you saw me blow up the balloons, right? Do you think I can blow them up now that they're in the bottle? Well, this particular bottle right here, it represents me or you trying to do things, hard tasks on our own without consulting God. So let's see what happens. I'm going to see if I can blow it up at least as large as I did when it was outside of the bottle. It's not blowing up, boys and girls. Maybe I should try harder. It's not blowing up. I tried to do some hard tasks without consulting God. Now this is our bottle that represents us consulting God. You saw me blow it up when it was outside of the bottle, but you also saw me blow this one up too, and I couldn't blow this one up. Will it make a difference having God in our lives? Let's see. Did you see that, boys and girls? it blew up really big. And I can do it again and again, and I'll show you one more time. Why do you think I couldn't blow this one up, but I could blow this one up? Well, boys and girls, I'm going to tell you exactly how I did this somewhere in our program today. You'll have to stay tuned to find out how Aunt March did this. Do you think it was a miracle? Now remember, a miracle is something that happens and science can't explain it and natural law can't explain it. So do you think I did a miracle? Well, you'll have to wait and see. I want you to remember the Bible text that says, with God, all things are possible. And it'll work every time. So I want you to keep that in mind. When you have a hard task, make sure that you consult God first. Now stay tuned for the rest of our program, and I'll see you in a few minutes.